Hello, my name is Ghulam Abbass, and in this video we will talk about the middlewares in Laravel. So the middlewares are the functions which can be executed on every request or a group of routes. So let's go ahead and open our VS Code, and to use the middleware we have to create a middleware first. So we can create the middleware by using PHP artisan make middleware, and the name of the middleware is my middleware. Press enter. So the middleware is created. You can open your VS Code and search this file my middleware. So this is our middleware, and so what we will do here is that we will write dd which will die hello. So we want to run this method on every request. So let's say you are making a project and you want to save the logs for every route. So you can do that. So you can add a query here to save the log inside the MySQL table, right? So I have added a simple line here which will show a hello message on every request. For this we have to register this middleware in our kernel.php file. So here we have some type of middlewares. So these are the global middlewares. So these middlewares run on every request. So if I add my middleware here, so if I add here app slash middleware and then slash my middleware class, so what it will do is that it will run the middleware on every request. We will so we need to run our project PHP artisan serve and then go back here. So it will show me a hello message. So it will run this hello on every single route of my Laravel project. So let's say I don't want to use this on every function. I want to use it on a group of function, like I want to use it for the web and for the API. I can do that here. So you just need to register it here or here. So if I go back here, go down here, it will, so we have the route middleware groups here. So what I can do here is that there's another option. I will write my middleware. So this is the short name of my middleware, and I will write the class path here. So this is the name of my middleware, and I can use this middleware for a group of routes. So I can do this by going to the home, and then here it is using the auth middleware. I can use my middleware here as well. If I go back here and I refresh it, it will show me this. And if I go back to the home, on the home it shows me this because I am on the home controller and I added this middleware on the home controller. So all the methods of the home controller will use this middleware. So you can use the middleware if you want to save the logs, or you want to do some functionality on the back end, so you can do that. So also if you are making a project where you have an admin, you have users, so you can add your custom so you can add your custom roles in the middleware. So I hope you liked my video and you understood something new in my video. So please subscribe my channel and like this video. If you have any question related to middleware, please write it in comment. I promise I read each and every comment.